Imagine waking up to the sound of howler monkeys in a jungle paradise, sipping world-class coffee grown on volcanic soil, and then hopping on a short flight to a bustling metropolis where skyscrapers meet the ocean. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to Panama, a country that's not just a canal, but a lifestyle, an adventure, and a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Stick around because by the end of this video, you might just be packing your bags. Panama is more than just a country. It's a feeling. It's the thrill of standing at the crossroads of two oceans, the awe of watching massive ships glide through the Panama Canal, and the serenity of waking up to waves crashing on Shell Island in Panama City Beach, Florida. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Today, we're diving deep into what makes Panama one of the most fascinating places on Earth. Let's start with Panama City, the vibrant heart of this Central American wonder. Picture this: a skyline that could rival Dubai, but with a tropical twist. Modern skyscrapers tower over historic Casco Viejo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where cobblestone streets and colorful colonial buildings tell stories of pirates, explorers, and revolutions. And let's not forget the Panama Canal, the engineering marvel that connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Watching a massive cargo ship navigate the locks is like witnessing a ballet of human ingenuity and nature's power. But Panama isn't just about its famous canal. It's a country of contrasts. Take Coronado, for example. Just an hour's drive from the city, this beach town is a haven for expats and retirees. With its golden sands, golf courses, and vibrant community, it's no wonder Coronado is often called the Miami of Panama. If you're craving cooler climates and lush landscapes, head to Boquete. Nestled in the highlands, this charming town is a paradise for nature lovers and coffee enthusiasts. The air is crisp, the views are breathtaking, and the coffee? Oh, the coffee. Grown in the rich volcanic soil, Boquete's coffee is some of the best in the world. Trust me, one sip and you'll be hooked. Now let's talk about Bocas del Toro. This archipelago on Panama's Caribbean coast is pure magic. Think turquoise waters, overwater bungalows, and a laid-back vibe that makes you forget all your worries. Whether you're snorkeling in coral reefs, surfing world-class waves, or just chilling with a coconut in hand, Bocas del Toro is the definition of paradise. And for those of you dreaming of a fresh start, Panama has something special for you: Panama Relocation Tours. These tours are designed to help you explore the country, understand the cost of living, and even connect with local communities. Whether you're looking to retire, work remotely, or just escape the rat race, Panama might just be your perfect match. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of Caporaso, Panama? This hidden gem is a nature lover's dream. Think lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and wildlife at every turn. It's the perfect place to disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. And let's not forget Air Panama, the airline that makes exploring this diverse country a breeze. With flights to destinations like Bocas del Toro, David, and beyond, Air Panama is your ticket to adventure. So why Panama? Because it's a country that offers something for everyone. Whether you're chasing adventure, seeking tranquility, or dreaming of a new life, Panama delivers. It's a place where modern meets wild, where every corner holds a new surprise, and where the word impossible simply doesn't exist. As the sun sets over the Pacific, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, you'll realize something. Panama isn't just a destination. It's a feeling, a memory, a story waiting to be told. And maybe, just maybe, it's the next chapter in your life. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments. What's the first place you'd visit in Panama? Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember, The world is full of wonders, and Panama is just the beginning. Discover why Panama is one of the most diverse and exciting countries in the world. From the engineering marvel of the Panama Canal to the tropical paradise of Bocas del Toro, this video takes you on a journey through Panama City, Coronado, Boquete, and more. Whether you're planning a vacation, considering relocation, or just dreaming of adventure, Panama has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.